We'll guide you through how to create offset paths in Inkscape using the most recent methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your computer. Once you have it open, select the object or path you want to create an offset for. It's essential that the path is selected, so make sure it's highlighted. Next, go to the path menu located at the top of the interface. And from the dropdown, choose lined offset. This will create a new linked offset. This will create a new linked offset path that you can adjust. You'll notice a small diamond handle appears on your object. Click and drag this handle outward to increase the offset or inward to decrease it. This is how you fine-tune the distance of the offset from the original path. If you want to change the color of the offset path, you can simply select it and choose a new color from the fill and stroke panel, which you can access from the object menu. It's a great way to make your offset path stand out visually. If you need to break the link between the original and the offset path so they become independent, you can do this by selecting the offset path and then choosing path followed by object to path. This action turns the offset into a regular path, allowing more freedom for modification. Remember, working with offset paths can help you create stunning designs with ease, especially if you're working with text or complex shapes. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.